get proving irrational at least for 3 marks.
Irrational proving is coming for 3 marks. That is for sure. If they will be asking irrational,
Not 5 marks, right?
Huh?
5 marks expectancy.
5 marks expectancy will be there. We'll check. We'll start.
From number system, you won't, so real numbers not getting 5 marks. From real numbers, will be given 5 marks.
Real number mostly they will be giving less marks questions.
We will get 5 marks on triangles.
Yes. Slowly we are going to grip and do it. Jumping is not important. We will listen all the important parts and then we will be doing that. Okay. We will not go with that type of jumping, shortcut, doing this, doing that. Systematic we will do. Okay. So we are going to start AP. Tarun, check AP part beta. First, arithmetic progression, some formulas we need to do. Everybody get ready for it, please. So, arithmetic progression, some formula, some questions we are going to do. Okay, let's check this one out. For what value of p the terms, this consecutive terms of AP, that consecutive term questions are there. So, we will be solving consecutive term questions. Good evening, Tarun. We'll start the work. For arithmetic progression, first term finding, term sequence finding, some questions will be there. You people have to do it nicely. Okay. Tarun, send the message in the group that class started. So let's start the class, please. So here we are going to learn some of the most important part. First, arithmetic progression. All the formulas are very much important for you. So the formulas of arithmetic progression when we will learn. Yes, Tapashwini, arithmetic progression we will do it nicely, beta. Arithmetic progression questions we will do. Arithmetic progression content we are going to study. So look here. So terms will be there. First term formula of arithmetic progression everybody is knowing. Correct. So shall we start doing the work related to arithmetic progression? What type questions are coming in examination and what type questions are important for arithmetic progression? So that work one by one we will be doing. First work is the definition, the formula. Related to that, sequence finding is one part question they will be asking. Like in MCQ, you can be expecting, Sneha, AB we have started with AP, some word problems and different type of questions we need to do that. Now look here. If they will give AN is equal to n square plus 2n plus 3, then they will ask you find the sequence. That is also one type of question. So here, first you have to put n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and we have to generate a sequence. So this is a low level, 0 level question what we have to start with. Okay. So here then you are putting n is equal to 1. So this will represent the first term. This will represent which term? Maha, last phase we have to be very serious about this part beta. So A1, here it will become 1 plus 2 plus 3. It will become 3 plus 2, 5 plus 1, 6. Now A2 will become 2 square plus 2 into 2 plus 3. So it is coming as 4 plus 4, 8 plus 3, 11. Now A3 will become 3 square plus 2 into 3 plus 3. So it is coming as 9 plus 6 plus 3. So it is coming as what? 9 plus 9, 18. The sequence is coming as 6, 11, 18 and so on. So first MCQ question, what we can expect is they will give some sequence forming question. Understood? Sequence forming question can be one question in MCQs. So that pattern questions you will be able to solve. Second is they will give you a sequence and they will say that prove that it is AP or not. Understood or not? So that type questions are more likely to come for examination for 2 marks. Got it? But the chances are very rare, but they will be giving you this question because it is present in NCRT question. Everybody, please write this question out and please prepare this question. First part is, if they will ask you the cost of digging, check this one out. The cost of digging, D-I-G-G-I-N-G, the cost of digging a well for the cost of digging a well for the first meter The cost of digging a well for the first meter is rupees 150. Okay, is rupees 150. After that, and raised by 20. Understood? So every time it is raised by 20, it is raised by rupees 20. After that, what they are telling for the succeeding meters, is it going to be Sanjay? AP we started beta start preparing for AP very nicely. So beta cost of digging a well is exactly given for first is given as 150. After that, every 1 meter it is exactly increased by 20 rupees. Is it in AP or not? So your answer should be it is in AP. Why? Because the first is exactly 150, then 150 plus 20 will become 170, then 190. So continuously it will differ by 20. It will differ by 20. So since it will differ by 20, it is in AP. Yes. So now next question, please kindly check. Here, what problems are coming is compound interest related questions. So, compound interest related questions, yes, compound interest related questions will be coming. That time, finding it is in AP or not, that will become your biggest target. So, that type questions one time we are going to check. Okay, the question is Divya Divya deposited, Divya deposited rupees 1000. Okay, so Divya has deposited rupees 1000 at compound interest, okay, at the rate of 10% per annum. Understood? So Divya has deposited how much? 1000 rupees at a rate of what, 10% per annum. Vidya has deposited. After that, the amount at the end of first, second, third year, and so on. So the amount at the end of first, second, third year, is it going to make an AP? Come on, check and say the answer. Is it going to make an AP for first, second, third year? Is it going to make an AP? See, first understand that the compound interest formula will be amount is equal to principal 1 plus R by 100 into T will come beta. Understood or not? And every time the compound interest will keeps on added. Correct now? So it will not form an AP. Okay, it will not form an AP. That is the problem. It is not going to form an AP. So compound interest questions, when it will be coming, it will not be forming an AP, because whatever terms will be coming, you have to keep on adding. Every time the principal will keep on getting added beta. So since the principal will keep on getting added, it will not be forming an AP. Simple and understandable. Understood? So here, when you will be asked with this question, what they do at 10% rate of interest, but how we are going to prove that it is not forming an AP? So for that, what we will write? Principal we will write. So here principal is 100,000. After that, 1 plus 10 by 100, and then it is coming as T. So what we are going to write here? 1000 into 110 by 100 to the power T will be written. Understood? So every time this part will become how much? So we can write it here, this and this cancel. So it is 1000 into 1.1 to the power T. Understood? So first year, second year, third year, how we are going to find the amount? Please. ना आज बिल्कुल बुरे मूड में हो यार, आज मत मस्ती करना. Okay, so now beta, this is exactly amount coming. But every year the amount keeps on getting developed double now. So here first year it will become this. Understood? And we will be writing here first year how much it will become? Not got understood beta. Here only one question is there. And that question what they have asked is, Narayan, good evening. AP started beta. In that now, they have asked that a person has deposited 1,000 rupees. Okay, after depositing 1,000, now I understood. After depositing 1,000 rupees with 10% rate of interest, first year, second year, third year, whatever interest is exactly amount is coming, is the amount forming an AP or not? Understood? That means 1,000 rupees you have given to your friend, and you told that okay, every year compound interest will come 10%. Understood? So now is the compound interest made is AP or not? That is the simple question. Now beta, first year, what is the amount you are going to expect from your friend? 1.1 to the power 1. This multiplied to this. Second year, understood na beta? So here second year, how much it will become? This 1.1 to the power 2. Now next year it will become what beta? This into 1.1 to the power 3 and so on. So beta, is it going to make an AP? No. GP it is possible, but AP it is not possible. So this is what. So compound interest question will not come for AP. That's it. Got it? So AP compound interest related questions will not be forming AP. Till here it is clear now. This is the formula, and you need to write and you need to make. Yes, it is not in AP. Now, beta, one cylinder question was there in NCRT. So, if they want to trouble you, they will give you some life science questions, and they will be asking, is the sequence, prove that the sequence is in AP or not? Understood? 2 marks only is enough to damage you, and they will be damaging you like that. Now, general equation of AP, you know that the first term is taken as A1, then the second term is written as A1, A2, term wise it is written. So one time, last time we are revising AP. So A1 will be exactly the first term. This will be considered as A. Second term is A plus D. Third term is A plus 2D. Like this, when somebody will talk about AMth term, it will become A plus n minus 1 into D. Understood? So this is exactly related to its volume. Yes, cylinder question related to its volume, that will be making an AP or not? Yes, that it will not be making an AP. Understood? Sum of n terms also is one of the most expected part from where we can be expecting. Understood? Last term, nth term, middle term related questions also will be making. The first negative term also they are asking, and that time they will be asked you. That is, what is the first negative term? Got it? The first negative term, I am giving one by one. So the first pattern question, how many terms are there? So the first relative question, n number. See, types of questions which are important for us. Types of questions. The first type question is, they will tell you, find number of terms in sequence. So this is type 1 question. Find number of terms in sequence. That means if somebody will be asking you number of terms in sequence, we will be doing that work. We will be finding the number of terms. That's what beta, number of terms you will be able to find. That means you have to find n. Like one simple question I'm just showing you, and I'm telling you how you are going to solve it. Nth term, yes. So now look here, beta. So one sequence I'm taking, and then I will be explaining you. So we will take this, and we will be solving the question. So 10th term, 4th term, 3rd term, they will be asking me, so you will be able to solve. So find the total number of terms. Like one sequence is given 9, 12, 15. Like this, they have given 9, 12, 15, and last digit will be exactly coming as 900. Okay, then they will be asking, find the number of terms. Find the number of terms. So they will be asking you like this. So find the number of terms means this will become your AN 900. This will become A. First term is 9. And then with a common difference 12 minus 9. That is 3. Then what we have to find here? N. Here N will become the number of terms. Okay. Then you have to use the formula. A is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute here 900. 9 plus N minus 1 into 12 minus 9. It will become 12 minus 9. It will become 3. So this will give you N, number of terms. This is one part. Got it? Now they will ask you which term which term they will be asking, that time also we will be solving. So now which term they will be asking? Yes, so what part you are asking, beta? uh, I don't know, I'm doing my work, but I'm trying my level best to let you people get something. So now look here, I'm just doing my duty. Which term? Sometimes beta it will be coming term or not, that is a different term. So like which term in the sequence, like a sequence is given 3, 6, 9, 12. So which term is 1, 1, 1, 1? Which term is 1, 1, 1, 1? Will this be coming as a term or not coming as a term? So here we need to be very carefully aligning it. Which term? That means which term is this one? That means they have given a n value as 1, 1, 1, 1. A is coming as 3. Common difference is 6 minus 3, 3. Now beta we have to find n. Understood? So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 1, 1, 1, 1, a is 3, and then plus n minus 1 into 3. So here 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 3 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So 11 minus 3, if you will do, how much you will get? 8. Correct? So what will be the 1, 1, 1, 1? And then here you are subtracting from 3. You are getting 8, 0, 1. So here 1, 1, 1, 4 different terms are there. So 1, 0, 0, 8. So 1, 0, 0, 8 will be there divided by 3. Is it correct? 11 minus 3, because this carried 1. It will become 11 minus 3. 7. So here it is coming as 7. So 1007 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. So 1007 by 3 plus 1 is equal to n. It is coming in fraction. So there is no term having this value. Understood? So sometimes it will be there, sometimes it will not be there, beta. It is not a term of AP. And this is what?
It's 1008 only, ma'am. How
11 minus 3. 11 minus 3 will be 8. But 1008 means it will be divisible.
that only multiples of 3 should be there.
Or multiples of 3, because 1008 is there now. So like that will be there.
Ma'am, we would get in decimals from n values in
See,
decimals.
say decimals and will come 100%. But when you will be subtracting it, it will be coming 0, 10. When you are putting here, it will come 10. But here it will be 1. Yay! 1008. So 8, 9, 10, it will not be coming. Divisible will not come. 100%. No terms of AP. The correct answer will be no terms of AP.
They last like they will give a 80. They last the number of come in 80. Then it, which number is 68, which term 68.
Yes. So that time they will be asking. So number of terms they are asking. Then also you have to find term and
What
which
number of
term.
terms?
See which term they will say. Then too you have to find n. Number of terms they will ask. Then too you have to find n. In both the situation you have to find n only. Are you understanding? In which situation you have to find n? When they will ask you n number of terms. That time also you have to find n only. I hope everybody understood this one. Now first negative term also they are asking.
It won't come in our syllabus from there mentioned.
Yes, negative term part, but one time we will understand. So which negative term? If they accidentally ask you this question also, then we will write n. That is an. Which term should be less than 0? The first negative term. So the first negative term they will ask is an should be less than 0. The first negative term part will be coming like that. Understood? Now third term is equal to this, fourth term is equal to that part. Like that type questions also we need to solve. I hope everybody understood. Naren and all, are you ready for the questions related to this? Now let's see AP questions. We are ready for it. So the first question, for what value of P the term is having consecutive. So 3 terms are there. What is the meaning of consecutive here? So now come on, start solving the questions, please.
I solved ma'am. Can I solve?
Yes. So these 3 terms are there. So these are the 3. What is the value of P? So this is first term, second term, and third term. Your first term is 4 by 5. Second term is P and third term is 2. So how to solve this question? A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. So here P minus 4 by 5 is equal to 2 minus P. So it will become, this P will shift this side. 2P is equal to 2 plus 4 by 5. So 10 plus 4, 14 by 5 is equal to 2P. So P will be equal to 14 by 10. So 7 by 5. So here what is the correct answer? 7 by 5. A will become the correct answer. Maha, Naren understood now how to handle this type of questions. Yes, Sophia, the correct answer will be coming as 7 by 5. So I hope you might have understood this one, how to handle it. Now you look here, this type questions we must be doing it. So Jessie needed this much for her college admission in the starting of January 2021. Her mother helped her by creating a fund of 12,000 rupees at the end of January 2019. Thereafter, she has been collecting this much in the starting of each month for Jessie College Fund. How much money will be collected by Jessie admission? So how many years are there? Please kindly start solving this question and your time starts now. Come on, go for this question, everyone. Yeah, I'll just move. Everybody, please start solving this question. I can go check this now. 3, 4, 5. In the starting of January 2021. Very good. In the starting of January 2021. So, beta, first thing here you need to understand that how many months are there? Got it? How many months are there? First, so you need to understand that her mother helped her in creating a fund. Starting amount is 12,000. What is the starting amount? 12,000. But this 12,000 in the end of January 2019. So January 2019, how many months are there? 11 months. Okay. Then 2020, how many months will be there? 12 months. Total it is coming as 23 months. Okay. So total how many months it is coming with a total 23 months is coming. So 23 months and 23 months. So these two will become wrong. Now here, this amount is not the first amount. The first amount was this. And in this first amount, that is A plus 23 into, that is A plus 23 into common difference is coming as 5500. The correct answer, Nishant, absolutely correct, beta. The correct answer is coming as C.
The months is coming in decimals.
Months will come in decimal, how?
Apne day of and for the month.
How months will come in decimal? First thing is that 2019 January month is not used at the end of January. So February to December only 11 months is there now. And then 2020 12 months. So 11 plus 12 will be how much? 23 months. So for 23 months the increment is coming as 5500. Understood or not? So the correct answer will be coming as C. I hope you might have understood. Now we will be going for the next question and your time starts now. Come on, this Mr. Kapoor is collecting donation of building a new school building in a village. His wife starts by donating. First amount donation is 12500. His brother also contributed by donating this much. Here thereafter every person who contributed in the donation pays this much more than the previous donor. Understood? So the donation amount will keep on getting, yes, absolutely, A plus 23D. So that's what is the pattern, Navita. So come on, go for this question, Vida. What is the total amount coming? This is a very good question. Yes, this is a very good question. The first amount is exactly what Mr. Kapoor is collecting donation for building new school building in a village. So first amount itself is given as 1,25,000. Okay, so that is there. His wife started by donating this much. So first amount donation is this one. His brother also contributed by donating 5400. Got it? After that, when you are starting, it will be donation of this more than the previous donor. Now start it. Start solving this part. 24 month, but at the end, 1 month is already over, beta. So only we need to go with that part. Okay? For this question, what technique you people are going to adopt? Come on, go for this question. Try to solve this question, beta. What is the expected answer? First, though, these two amount is exactly there. What are the two amounts? First amount is given as a donation is 1,25,000. His brother also computed it. So first, donation for building new school building in the village. His wife started by donating this much. His brother also contributed this much. Hereafter, every person who contributed in the donation pays this much more than the previous donor. Every time the donation keeps on getting added. Correct now? Because brother donated. She started this one. Brother donated first. So let's see who and all are able to solve this question. Come on, say the answer. I'm moving. Everybody start solving.
Ma'am, this is a very big number.
Huh? How much it is coming? It is 16,42,500. Then 24,750. 25,25,750. This much amount is there.
Ending with 5, ma'am. Ma'am, I got the APS like this. I took difference as 5250.
23 donations are
Or
there.
22.
No, go for it. Answer is not coming. Multiply and check it is
Ma'am,
coming.
no, ma'am. Everything is ending with 0, ma'am. Then how it will become? This is the.
So your answer is wrong. You have to go. You don't add this one, na? This is exactly the balance amount. You have to add in this. The first C, she started. His wife started by donating this. His brother also contributing by donating 54,000. After that, only people started contributing. Are you understanding? Please say first.
First term is 1,25,000.
No.
1,25,000 plus 54,000.
No.
Then
First is 1,25,000 donation. 1,25,000. After that, the second is all is coming. It is coming as 54,000. After that, the third forms any. The third one will be starting. After that, only consecutive addition is started. So you need to check A will be what? Here A will not be this one. If A will come this one means it is havoc. So here A will be this one. And B will be this one. Got it? This is first donation. This is second donation. From third donation, AP sequence will be followed. Now, children, please try online class. Because after that, this increment will be coming. So, common difference here is 5250 beta. Common difference here itself is coming as how much? 5250. Remember this question. See, first term itself is coming as 54,000. First donation was 1,25,000. Second donation was this much. Understood? So first term we are going to take it as 54,000. Understood? Then third to 23rd term will be forming an 80. So total, when somebody will be asking you, first term is this much plus how many terms donation is needed? 21 into 5250. Calculate and check answer is coming or not. So this will give you last term. Once the last term is coming means then sum of first term and last term divided by 2 you have to do. So how many of you got the answer, beta? Some are telling C, some are telling B, some are telling A. Wow, super. Very good, nice try. First to find the last term, because we don't know the number of terms here it is coming as 21. So 1 0 will come. 5 to 5 will multiply with 21. So it is coming as 1 5 is 5, 1 2 is 2, 1 5 is 5, 2 5 is 10, 2 2 is 4, 1 5, and then 2 5 is 10. So it is coming 5 2 0 1 1. So it is coming as 1 0 2 5. We will add it. This will become the last term first. So 1 1 0 2 5 0. Space is not there. 0 0 0 5 4. It is coming 0 5 2 4 6. This much first come 1 4 1 6 4 2 5 0. This much is the last term. Now they have to add all the amount. You have to add all the amount. So sum of total 23 terms. Total 23 donations are there now. So that donation amount will be first term, second term divided. Yes. So total 22 donations, because my donation is exactly the first one. So total 22 donations apart from the first donation. This will be the first part is 54000, and then the last term is exactly coming as 14164,250. You add it, this will become 11. So whatever is there, you have to add it, and then you have to, let's check what is the answer coming. 54123 plus 164,250. 164,250. After that, it is 0 0 0 4 and 5. So it is coming 0 5 2 8 1. This much. Understood? Now this will be multiplied with 11.
Ma'am,
So
I don't multiply, right? That yes,
Sum
11.
of.
Right, that same.
So that's what now. I'm going to write that. So 218250 is 05281
over
0570 0234. So approximately this amount is coming. Now in this we have to add the by 1,25,000. Yes, no, because that amount is also coming now. That amount you are not, no, sorry. This is going to be the answer. But in that we have to add that amount now. You need to add. Hey, without adding, how you are going to?
But
You need.
AP comes from 54,000.
But that is the amount also, na. Total 23 donations are there. AP is coming from the second donation. If you confuse in examination, this will only happen. You will do this one. You will confuse me also, because see, this part will come when this 22 donations. You see, they are asking 23 donations. The first donation is not in AP. Starting from second donation, then third donation means here you have to add. So last term we got. After that, sum of 22nd donations. So this is only 22 donations. Are you understanding? So this is coming means this is 22 donations. 23rd donation means you have to add here. You have to add 0 0 0 5 2 1. So here it will come with option C. Anybody who has done D as option, anybody who has done B as option, they are wrong, please. Yes, only Sanjay Narayan has given the correct answer. You need, see, question like this will be confusing you. They will confuse you like this only. You need to understand this part. 22 donation. You confuse me for a few seconds. But after that, I'm just saying 23 donations. AP started from?
1 lakh.
Yes, after that only 5400. Understood? And after that only the donation starts. Correct only, Sanjay, Naren, you people are correct. Answer is C only. Now we will go for the next question. Ajay started work in this at an annual salary of this and received increment of 200 each year. After how many years did his income reach this? So like this time now only word problems we are expecting. Here this year will not be the same year of question where you can solve NCRT question and go there and write anything and blabber like anything. Solve this question please.
Ma'am, 11 years.
The correct answer is coming here as, let's see, fourth answer everybody is telling 11 years. Okay, fine. Ajay started working this at an annual salary. So A will become this one. Is it A? With an increment, common difference. Understood? How much? The last term is coming as 7,000. AN will become 7,000. See, what is the technique here? This AN will become, this will become 7,000 will become AN. So we know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into B. So 7,000 is equal to 5,000 into N minus 1 into 2,000. So this one will become 2,000 divided by this into N minus 1. Understood? So this and this will get cancelled and it will become 10 plus 1 is equal to N. It is coming as 11. I hope everybody understood this one. Yes, Kritika. I don't know where are the rest of the students, Veda, Vasant. They are here and there. You will be doing this. Will definitely not get it. So please remember, only grounded questions we have to do. Shall we go for the next question, beta? The first and the last term of an AP are P and Q respectively. The sum of all the terms of AP and the common difference is given by this. Then R is equal to, come on, start solving this question. These are some very highly classified questions. Come on, go for it, please.
Ma'am, which term is it? The Q square minus P square. Wow, which term is it?
The first and the last term. First term is written as P. Last term is written as Q. You need to understand that. The first term is written as P.
Oh, it's a summation of all terms. That expression is summation of all terms.
Yes. Total algebra will be 20 marks will be there. 22 marks will be there. AP will be 5 to 6 marks for sure. You were having problem in this now. The first and the last term. First term is written as P, last term is written as Q. The sum of all the terms of the AP and the common difference is given by S. S is sum of all the terms. See, understand this first. P is the first term. Understood? After that, A1, A2, A3, AN term is taken as, last term is taken as Q. Sum of all the term is taken as S. Yeah, sum of all the terms of the AP, sum of all the terms of the AP, sum of all the terms of the AP will be taken as what? Sum of all the terms of AP. Sum of all the terms, answer is coming as 5C. Sum of all the terms of the AP is taken as S. Come on, go for it, please. And the common difference, D is taken as Q square minus P square by R minus Q plus P. Understood? Now they are telling that R will be what? Then R is what? Our equation will be written in terms of, no doubt. Then we can write now sum of n terms because sum of n terms is there. So S is equal to total number of terms will be how much? Check this one out and solve. So what is the answer coming here?
This much hard.
Ama.
इतना hard करना
Kritika is telling C, Naren is telling as D.
and B 4S 4S 4S.
Huh?
I think so. It's 4S.
Because sum of term will be first term plus last term divided by 2. S will be there. Correct now. Now that means whatever is S written, because they are asking S in terms, then R will be written in terms of S. Yes. So first can I write AN is equal to P plus N minus 1 number of terms, because sum of all the terms. Stepler. Madam I. So here n minus 1 total number of terms will be taking as n. So sum of n terms is sum of n terms will be sum of n terms. Like
S
n by 2
A plus A of n.
first term plus last term. Got it? So n is equal to this into common difference d. So this 2 you have to use to form. An is equal to q is equal to p plus n minus 1 into d is coming as what? Q square minus p square. See how easy it is. R minus q plus p. Check this one out later. First you shift this one this side. It will become q minus p is equal to n minus 1.
N is equal to 1.
N minus 1. It will come q plus p. Q minus p by r minus q plus p. So here this q minus p and q minus p will get cancelled. Understood? So now this one will go that side. R minus q plus p is equal to n minus 1 q plus p. So this will shift this side. R is equal to n minus 1 q plus p plus q plus p. Understood? So now here, because n we have to find now, correct? So what will be, this is 2s, because sum of n term is taken as s. So 2s is equal to 2s is equal to n p plus q. So what is n? 2s by p plus q is equal to n. So instead of this n, what we will write? R is equal to
2S by P plus Q
2s by p plus q minus 1. Understood? And here it is coming as what? P plus q, and check this one out now. Here also,
Now that P plus Q is cancelled.
yes, you will take it as cancel. Now you understood how to solve this question. Now it will cancel and answer will come as. It was looking difficult, but it was not difficult. You have to solve. You have to solve. And I used just basic terminology. I did not did any big word. R minus this part will go that side. So here Q minus P first shifted, R minus P part shifted, then shifted this side. Once I have shifted, this part is coming as N minus R. So this, if you will take common, look here, I'll do it. Here I will solve it because many people will have confusion here. R is equal to N minus 1 and this term will give you plus 1 by Q plus P. Done? So minus 1 plus 1 will get cancelled. So R is equal to N. And what is the value of N? 2s by P plus Q. And here P plus Q is there. So P plus Q cancel. Answer is coming as 6.
But this much hard question.
This much they will ask also what is the error. We discussed one time. Correct now? Okay, I'm going to teach this one more time. In board, I'm going to teach with you. See, listen. And we are not going to leave this type questions also. What is the first part given? That first term is given as P, then second term, third term, we don't know, but last term is given as Q. Sum of all the terms is taken as S. Understood? After that, what they are telling, sum of and common difference. D will be written as one time.
Square minus Q square.
One time, can I check question, please? Sum of all the term Q square minus P square by R minus Q plus P. Q square लिखो. Q square minus P square by
Q square minus P square by R plus
yes.
R minus Q plus P.
Q square minus P square by R
Minus Q plus P.
Okay, this was common difference beta. First, what we will do? First an terms. An term formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. Total number of terms we will take it as n. So what is the last term? Q written. So we will write Q equal to what is the first term? P plus n minus 1 into common difference. So beta, this will shift this side. It will become Q minus P is equal to n minus 1. What is the common difference beta? Q square minus P square by R minus Q plus P. Now beta, this is all in multiplication. So what we can write? Q minus P is equal to n minus 1. It is Q minus P, Q plus P by R minus Q plus P. Now beta, this part multiple will get cancelled. So now it is coming as 1 is equal to n minus 1 Q plus P by R minus Q plus P. Now beta, shift this side. R minus Q plus P is equal to n minus 1 Q plus P. Now beta, this minus part will shift this side. It will become R is equal to n minus 1 Q plus P plus Q plus P. So Q plus P, we will take common. What will come? N minus 1. This part is plus 1. Cancel. So R is coming as Q plus P into N. This will become your equation 1. Now beta, sum of total term. Total term we have taken Sn now. Sum of total term. So beta, sum of n term is, formula is n by 2 first term plus last term. Correct? So sum of n term, they have told it as S is equal to n by 2. First term is P, second term is Q. Okay? So here 2 will go and multiply with S, it will become 2S. This part will go down, it will become P plus Q is equal to N. So this is equation number 2. Done? So beta, N value from here can we substitute here? So R is equal to, now check final part, R is equal to Q plus N, Q plus P, and instead of N we can write 2S by P plus Q, Q plus P plus Q cancel, R is coming as 2S. I hope everybody understood this part. So R is coming here.
This much lengthy, you ask for one MCQ.
One MCQ, this much lengthy, but we have solved it fully. No? They will do in shortcut. Understood? Many people, they will be solving these questions in shortcut. Shortcut means only we have to see. First time I did in shortcut now. But this time for waiting Sanjay and others understand, I did like this. I have everybody understood now how we are going to solve and we will be writing. So Sanjay, did you understood now? Beta, sum of first we used an term and then we have used sum of n terms, and number of terms we have considered as n. So accidentally also, mentally also, if they will be giving these type of questions, please, we will be able to solve these questions. Is it okay for everyone? Sanjay understood? So arithmetic progression is seriously a very big challenge this year, because any question more than, see, most of the question paper we are seeing, yes, now most of the question paper we are seeing one thing, and that is they are giving not normal questions, they are not telling, they are telling word problems like these many years this question added, this part, that part. You will see all life science related questions are there. So that's what we are expecting there.
They would have just.
Because many people ask, you people only ask now, most of the parent ask from CBSE. नीचे थोड़ा सा बन के, most of the people they asked in CBSE from CBSE, what you are teaching is connected to like day to day life or not. So CBSE proved it. It is connected to day to day
Where
life.
did they ask?
So now it is connected to day life. I have everybody understood this part.
That's why parents like CBSE.
That connected now. See here, Sophia. First term is given as P, last term is given as Q. Total sum is taken as S. If you will add everything, it will become equal to S. Understood? Common difference is given this much. So first A term is equal to A plus N minus 1 into B. Last term is Q, so we wrote Q. We shifted this side, because once we shifted this side, it will become what? Q minus B. Okay? And then here, P square, A square minus B square. So A square minus B square will open as A plus B, A minus B. So since it is in multiple, like 2 is equal to 2 into 4 into 3. So 2 into this side will get cancelled, so we cancel this and this. Then remaining part left. After cancellation here, 1 will be left. So this will go and multiply. So once you are going to multiply this one with 1, hello? Huh? हाँ 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 बोलो, मैं ऑनलाइन क्लास में हूँ। हाँ हाँ ओके हाँ ओके हाँ हाँ ओके ओके हाँ हाँ So here sum of n term is n by 2. First term plus last term. First term is P. Last term is Q. So P plus Q. Then this part you have to multiply with 2. It will become 2s. P plus Q will go down. N is coming. This n will be replaced by this n. And then R is coming as 2s. So this is exactly the second part of the question. So now let's do the next part of the question. Shall we go for the next part of the question? We don't do very tough questions. We will be, but let's see. So they are telling let the positive number A, B, C, then 1 by BC, AC, these are also in AP. Okay, if each term of the given AP is multiplied by ABC, then the resulting sequence is also in AP. Is the statement true? Come on, check this one out. See, beta, they told that they let the positive number A, B, C are in AP. The positive number A, B, C are in AP. Check this one out. We'll solve this. Capital look here. Let the positive number A, B, C are in AP. So if A, B, C are in AP, this will become first term, this will become second term, and this will become third term. So here, second term minus first term is equal to third term minus second term. It will come like that, na beta. So here it will become B minus A is equal to C minus B. So 2B is equal to A plus C. So B is equal to A plus C divided by 2.
And this part is given a textbook also.
Yes. So B is equal to A plus C by 2. Correct? Now, beta, they are telling that this is also in AP. Let's check, is it in AP or
This
not?
is not in.
So they are telling that this is also in AP. Just understand. That is 1 by AC minus 1 by BC is equal to 1 by AB minus 1 by BC. Sorry, AC. That is, this will become your first term, this will become your second term, and this one will become your third term.
Ma'am, we got
So
reciprocated.
first, you have to have patience first. So here, when you are solving this one, 1 by c, check this one out. BC minus AC by ABC square is equal to AC minus AB by A square BC. Correct? So now here, if you will take C common, it is coming as B minus A by C into ABC, cancel, is equal to, take A common, C minus B, A into ABC. This and this will get cancelled, this and this will get cancelled. B minus A is equal to C minus A. So that means
Plus C minus B.
C minus B. So 2B is equal to A plus C, which is exactly equal to this situation. So 100% this is also in AB. And this is exactly explaining. So if each term of the given AP is multiplied by ABC, correct Paulina, multiplied by ABC, the correct sequence is also in AP. So answer is a big A. Yes, Kritika. Answer is a big A. You need to understand like these type of questions. So when you are solving these type of questions, be very, very attentive and be very, very careful understanding this question. I hope you people have understood how to go with these type of questions. I hope you people have done this. So look here, the questions will be little complicated. Second term minus, you need to go with the basics. The basic idea what you are using for solving a question is most important. So if each of the term given by AP is multiplied by ABC, then the resulting sequence is also in AP. That's most important. I hope everybody, please, you need to just go through with these type of questions one time. Technicalities, the content will not be easy. The question will be little lengthy. See, focus is second term minus first term. You need to focus into the most basic information, and the most basic information here is when three terms are given, how to prove it is AP? This is first term, this is second term, and this is third term. So A2 minus A1 equal to A3 minus A2. This in class also I taught, same content you have to use for solving the question. I hope you might have understood this part. Okay? Got my point? Now we will be going for the next question, please. Now please go with this assertion reason. Question number 7.
And we got this in the keyboard one.
Okay, good.
Then option B. And both A and R are true, but R is not correct explanation of A.
Yes, because 3 consecutive terms form an AP. If K is
Correct.
equal to 6, the moment you will put K is equal to 6, it will form an AP. Now this is the sum of end of this is, but this is not explanation, this one, because consecutive terms subtraction, this part is not there. So this is the most important class. Those children who are skipping this class, I don't know what to say. I'm really very scared. So now look at this type question, question number 8. Please kindly do question number 8. The first and the last term of 80 are 17 and 350 respectively. If there are 38 terms, then the sum of those terms is 6973. You have to solve it. This is just the formula, so this is always going to be correct. D, first part you have to solve, because seriously, 80 is given the first and last term. So definitely total number of terms is 38. Total number of terms is 38. Kritika, very good. From the beginning, Kritika, Maha, Naren, Sanjay, Tarun, you people are exactly in the league for rating. So AP part is very important. It will create damage. Total number of the S38 is equal to 38 by 2. First term 17, last term is 350. So actually this part we have used, it is coming 19 and it is coming 763. So when you will solve,
It's not correct. A is not correct.
A is not correct. Let's check. 3, 6, 7, 9, 7, 9, 63, 6 and 54,
One A is correct.
6, 27, 20, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, and then 7, 6, 3, 3, 7, 9, 6. 6, 9, 7, 9. Correct only. This is correct and this is correct explanation. So it will be A. This will be A. How many of you said A? Very good, Kritika. This is exactly A. AP will be difficult if you will be doing here and there with this. So now we will go with AP. Case study is the most important part. Come on, go for case study. Because if any moral story will come, it will come with case study only. Yes. So you need to be very, very acquainted with this. So only I'm telling them. Huh? Yes, the student of school decided to beautify the school and annual examination by fixing color flags. A total of 27 flags have to be fixed at an interval of every 3 meters. So total how many flags are there? 27. The number of terms are?
27 terms.
And distance between them is?
Difference is 3.
3 meters. D is coming as 3. So Arzu was given the responsibility of placing the flag on both sides of the middlemost flags. Arju kept her bag where the flag were stored. She could carry only one flag at one time. So she carries one flag from the middlemost point, placed the flag at its destination places, and came back to the middlemost point.
14 flag.
Yes, total number of terms are what? 27. Correct, now? See, 27 plus 1 by 2. You need to understand that total how many flags you have to put. Please understand that total 27 flags you have to put. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like total last 27 flags. Understood? So 27 means odd number. Number of flags is 27. So 27 plus 1 by 2. That means middle term will be coming now. 19 this side. The middle one will become the 19th one will become the middle one. Sorry, 14. 14 will become the middle one. Correct now? So 14th part will become the middle one. So she is telling Arju was given the responsibility of placing the flag on both sides of the middlemost flag. So 14th flag is the middle flag. So she could carry, and distance between each flag is taken as 3. Understood? So she could carry only one flag at a time. So she carries one flag from the middlemost point, places the flag at its destination place, and come back. So from middle you have to. So one time she went 3 and she returned 3.
6.
Next time she went 3. She went 6 and returned 6. So one time she went 3, returned 3. Total is coming as 6. She went 3.
6, 12, 18, like that.
Like that, yes. She went 3. After that, she returned 3. Total is coming as 6. Next time she went 6, returned 6. So next time, how much she is exactly going? 6 plus 6, 12. Next time she went 9 and returned.
Ma'am, same question of potato is something is given.
Yes, potato race question only, yaar. So here it is coming as what? This time it is coming as 9 and 9. It will become this time 18. So what is the sequence coming? 3, 12, 18.
3, 3, 6, ma'am.
Oh, 3, 3, 6, sorry. 6, 12, 18. Like how many times it will come? Are you understanding it? So beta, this is the most important part of the question. Now let's see what question they are asking. Based on the given information, find the distance covered by ours when placing successive flag on one side of the middlemost flag from an AP, from an AP. So what is total number of times? How many total number of times she will go, beta?
14, 18, 28 times.
28 times, no, only one side they are asking.
Oh, once.
Please, one side. Come on, beta, start solving. Only one side. See, first term will come what? Because she is starting in the middle point. So, first term will come as 6. Second term is coming as how much? 12. Third term is coming as 8. So, 8 will come as 6. Understood not? So, first, how many times she will go? She is in 14th part. Now here 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So how many times she will go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times. I calculated so that you will not do mistake. So sum of 13 terms you have to find here. Are you understanding? 13 times she is going and coming. So here क्या करूँ हिमांशु जो हो रहा है बस अभी उतना मैं ही कर रही हूँ बेटा. So here understood. So sum of 13 terms. So 13 by 2, correct? So here it will become 2a plus 13 minus 1, 12 into 6. Correct? So 13 by 2. Here it will come 12 plus 72. So it is 13 into
84.
84 by 2, 42. So 13 into 42 do, that much distance is coming. 14 and 33 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 1 2s are 2, 1 4s are 4. So it is coming 5, 4, 6. So one side it is coming as 546 meter. Find the total distance covered by Arjun placing all the flags on both the sides. 546 plus 546 multiplied by 2 also you will do. So it will come 2 6 are 12, 2 4 are 819 and 2 5 are 1092 meter. What is the maximum distance Arjun traveled due carrying a flag? Last one, 13.
Carry.
Yeah. What is the maximum distance Arjun traveled carrying a flag? So that is the last one. That is the maximum distance covered. 3 ones are 3. 3 into 13. From here to here, how much distance is coming?
39 meters.
3. Total distance covered is 39. Total distance covered will be 39. I hope you might have understood. So this is type of question. Because beta here from 14 flag to this distance is 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 into 3, 39 meters. So here, very cleverly you have to attempt the question. Understood? Very cleverly 39, absolutely. बेटा दूसरे क्वेश्चन में जाएं हम. Yes, case-based only is technical, na? So case-based questions are only. So I'm just giving some gap.
Ma'am, no gap. Now only you started and then gap.
No, 1 hour over. 1 hour, 10 minutes over. या प्रोबेबिलिटी भी करेंगे बेटा. Check this one out. In space exploration mission, ion propulsion engine is an efficient way of traveling. The first such engine was Deep Space One. This question is given. The initial average velocity of the engine in first month is this. When the spacecraft passed the asteroid Lembrel, it reached an average velocity of this hour. When the spacecraft passed the asteroid Rail, it reached the average velocity of this. Based on the first 6 months of deep space, first month average velocity, the following table was created. So this is the following table they have created. Now solve question. If these type questions are coming tomorrow in AP means Govinda Govinda only. You see, last time we asked like this, na? See, each question was very difficult last year also. Not like this, but case study was tricky.
Yes, the Mayor thought set one was very easy.
Very easy. She
That
had
broad question, one thing, sectors and segment. And another thing, that library question, LCM and LCF.
okay.
Another question. What if last year question paper repeats now?
Hmm. Yes, the last day and last day is the most important day. We'll do one thing, we will start continuously because my legs are paining. I'm going to start after some break. Screen is looking.